If you've just started a brand new account on TikTok, you need to curate your feed so that it is showing you content within your niche and industry, but also creators that are going to inspire you and help you come up with new content ideas, whether that is a trend or meme or a topic within the niche or industry. Let me just show you how easy it is to curate your TikTok For You page. Hi, and welcome back to day 71 of 100 social media tips. I have this brand new account here. You can do this with a brand new account, you can do this with an old account, doesn't matter, it works for both. So what you want to do is click the hamburger menu on the top right and then click settings and privacy. We scroll down until we see content and display and we see content preferences. We tap that and then we go into refresh your For You feed. Now you can see that it says you can refresh your For You feed. Want a fresh start? We'll show you popular videos to launch your new feed. The more you interact, the more personalized your feed will be, including any ads, and your following feed, profile, and inbox won't be affected. So if you're already following different accounts or creators that you want to consume their content, it won't change any of that. It will just show you new content to refresh your feed to show you new types of content or new creators that you haven't seen before. Then we click continue and ready to refresh your feed and just click refresh. You can then go into more detail and said, why did you refresh? For example, if you're seeing content that doesn't make any sense to you or isn't within your niche or industry or content that you want to consume, just click irrelevant content and then click submit. And then you're sharing your feedback. If you go into your homepage, it would show you brand new content that has hundreds of thousands of likes, millions of views, and you just start fresh as if you've opened TikTok for the very first time and it's just showing you content that it may think you'd like. You can go ahead and just start scrolling, but the next best way is actually to go into the search bar menu and you can actually search up topics within your niche or industry to help push the algorithm to show you content that you're interested in. For example, if I'm looking up clothing brand and I want to see content related to that, for example, and then I can just go in and then like some of their content, look at ads, look at different videos, seeing if it's like something that I'm interested in. If I want to see like anime interview, I'm just going to go ahead and interact with certain videos just so that the algorithm knows that this is a content that I want to consume. For this account specifically, it's within the anime and fashion niche, looking at creators that are showcasing interview content, but also showcasing clothing brands. So a bit of a mix so the algorithm can understand what videos I want to be seeing. Now that you've done those two steps, it will take some time for the algorithm to actually show you content that you are interested in, because what it is doing right now is just showing me content that is internationally based or just super popular, different niches and industries, of virality, of topics. So I would definitely give it some time until the algorithm then understands what content you want to be consuming. This isn't just an instant change where it's going to understand what content it needs to be showing you. It will take some time. I would recommend for the next few days spending 5-10 minutes going into the algorithm, looking at the For You page and just scrolling past videos that obviously you aren't going to interact with, and then come back to it every few days and then look up more content that you actually want to consume. This way it will help refresh your feed and it won't show you content that you were seeing before that is irrelevant to the content that you want to consume. That's it. Like always, keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll catch you in the next video.